Hey there, Harish here from the Motion Product Team. In this lesson, we're going to explore how AI can help you create projects and project templates automatically, saving you time and ensuring nothing gets missed. Manually setting up projects, defining stages, adding tasks, and organizing work can take hours. Motion's AI eliminates that work by generating a structured project from a simple prompt, using existing templates, past projects, and relevant documents to build the most accurate plan possible. Let's dive in. Let's start with AI powered project templates. AI powered project template creation allows you to generate the project template based on the description of a process or a document like the standard operating procedure. Simply provide a prompt describing the type of project you need. The AI will analyze and examine existing templates and the prompt context, and a new template is generated with the appropriate stages and task structures and roles needed for this template. You're in control, so the template can be refined and reused for future projects. This ensures that repetitive projects can be launched instantly without manual setup, saving time and ensuring consistency across your workflow. Let's look at this in action. Here I am in my project workflow templates for my marketing team. I can simply come in here and say create a new project template and describe a scenario that you want to solve for. In this case, I want to create a social media campaign workflow for promoting a new product. I want to include the stages that are necessary as well as the kinds of roles that are necessary for this particular template. I can just simply hit generate and preview. And the AI will take into account the context that I've provided, analyze the kinds of tasks that might be needed, and the kinds of roles that might be needed to fulfill my objective. In this case, you can see here, it's established a new template for me with a planning, content creation, scheduling, publishing, and performance analysis sections. And it has assigned the appropriate roles like campaign manager, content writer, graphic designer, and so on, and assign the tasks individually to those users as needed. I can simply hit save to save my template. And just like that, I have a template in my project templates gallery, and I can use it to create projects so that everything is structured in an organized fashion for my team. Now let's talk about AI for projects. AI for projects builds on top of project templates and allows you to generate a full project automatically based on its description. Instead of manually structuring a project from scratch, Motion's AI will analyze your prompt, the template that's referenced, and any reference documents or specs or meeting notes that you provide. Add any missing tasks from templates that are specific to the project to ensure a complete and accurate project breakdown based on the prompt, files, and past projects in your workspace. By pulling from past similar projects and related documents, Motion's AI builds a project plan that is both structured and highly relevant to the work being done. Let's build on the example that we had and look at this in action. So here I am in my marketing team, and I want to create a new project. I can simply come in here and say new project. And this gives me options for creating a project template, creating a project with AI, or creating a project from scratch. In this case, I want to do create project with AI, building on top of the social media campaign that I had built earlier. I can just say create project, choose the template that I had created earlier, and provide a prompt that details what I'm looking for. In this case, I'm looking to create a Facebook and Instagram campaign for our spring shoe collection, and we need to create multiple video ads, partner with a couple of micro influencers, and track conversion for our online store. I can just hit create project with AI, and the AI analyzes both the template that was created as well as this new prompt to understand how best to get your project started. So over here, you can see all the changes the AI has done. It identified the name of the project template in this and gives you a reasoning on the side as well. It identified people to fulfill roles within this template. So for instance, it identified me as a campaign manager and Lewis as a content and graphic designer. And it also gives me reasons as to why it did so. In this case, it's looking at all the users' past tasks and identifying who best is suited for these specific kinds of tasks. It identifies specific variables that it needs to fulfill, again giving you a reasoning as to why it did so. And you can set any custom fields that you might have in the workspace. In using all that information, it again reanalyzes the prompt as well as the template and gives you a full view of all the kinds of tasks it needs in order to fulfill this project. Over here, you can see in the planning stage, it's added an additional task for partnership with micro-influencers and included details like identifying that it needs to reach out to micro-influencers to collaborate on this campaign. Additionally, you can see here, it's also identified the need for creating video ads. I can simply hit continue and it'll create the project for me with all the necessary tasks and assignments in place. Now let's talk about why AI for projects and templates matter. AI for projects and project templates saves you time by eliminating the need to manually structure a project. It ensures accuracy by referencing past projects, documents, and templates. And because they're in motion, it gives you the most accurate view of when a project might be complete. And it improves consistency by standardizing workflows through intelligent templates. To get the most out of the AI for projects and project templates, when generating a project or a template, provide as much detail as possible in the prompt. Attach any relevant documents like specs, meeting notes, past reports to give the AI more context in the task you've assigned it to do. Review the AI generated project and template and make sure all the refinements you need are present. And most importantly, save commonly used structures as templates for future use. So here's what we covered. We covered how AI can create full templates based on analyzing a prompt and the relevant documents you provide, how it can identify missing tasks that are specific to a project instance, and how you can improve AI accuracy by referencing past projects, templates, and documents, giving the AI as much context as possible in order to complete its task. That's it for this lesson. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, happy scheduling.